Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Okta account. Alright, so first up, just go ahead over to login.okta.com. Now go ahead and select your account. Okay, for example, this one. Now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and enter my username and then hit on next. In the next page, you can now go ahead and begin the recovery process. Okay, just go ahead and click on forgot password right here at the bottom. And don't worry if you don't have this option, just stay a bit. I have an option for you later. Okay. And here it says get verification email. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Gmail. But before you open up your email, just go ahead and click on send me an email right here. Okay. Then you should receive the same exact email. As you can see here, we have a code. So just double click on it, right click and copy, go back to the Okta login page and just click on enter verification code and just click on verify. Now in here, as you can see, we now have the option to reset our password. Okay. Just enter your new password and then re-enter the new password. And then also, if you want to, you can go ahead and tick on sign me out of all other devices. And once done, just click on reset password. And after that, you can now go ahead and log into okta.com and use the new password and you'd be good to go. Okay. Now, as I've said earlier, if you don't have the forgot password option, you still have an option, right? There's still a way to log in. Okay. You will have to contact your IT department. Okay. If you're under a company, you can just go ahead and let them know that you're having problem logging in. And also, if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you can go ahead and let the IT department know that you would like to have them reset. Okay. And then once that's done, they will give you your new password and they'll let you set up your Okta FastPass or Okta Verify. All right. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps. And I'll see you in the next one.